It can do everything that you could think of, and it has every option in it.
MoeTheDriver.
Stock ECU sounded good, but we need a little more. There's a lot of stuff that we want to do. We want to drag race. We want to beat the hell out of people. Well, guess what? You want to beat the hell out of people. Not only do you need a strong motor, strong transmission, damn good truck, but guess what? You need a really good tune. In order to get a really good tune, you need a really good ECU. So we decided to go with, this is what we picked. This is what we decided on because of everything that it does. Let me show you. I'm not going to go through every feature because I don't really know. But let's start out with the box, right? This is what you get. There's not a whole lot in here. There are some of these that actually have a wiring diagram inside. But this one doesn't. I need to get my scissors. You guys know the scissors, man. I use them for everything. Go ahead and get in here. We're not going to read all this documentation, these little disclaimers and stickers and all that. That just says that it's sealed. If you open it, you own it. And that's all. All right, let's get into this thing. Let's not waste any time. We don't have time to waste. Boom. There we go. We're in, folks. We're not going to waste any time with this bad boy. That's nice. You got the nice custom cut foam, real thick foam, so it's packaged well at least. A new way of seeing things. So this is what I'm going to do first. I'm going to show you this because I'm actually going to get this. This is what's going to go in the truck. And that's actually going to be my gauge cluster and everything. It's got tons of gauges over here and tons of gauges on this side. You can change the screens and do all that good stuff. This is going to be the gauge cluster in the truck. So I just haven't purchased that yet. It's like $900, dude. So that's coming next. It's got this little thing, little mounting bracket, little sun shield and all that. I'll have that soon. But yeah. That's really expensive. But this is what you guys came to see. First of all, you got a nice USB cable here. It's your standard USB-A, USB-B, USB cable. Just in case you lose this, I mean, you can get one of these pretty much anywhere. Any racetrack guys are going to have these. So that's number one. That's a good thing. At least it's not some kind of proprietary item that Haltech has that you can't get without, contacting them. And this is a nice trusty thumb drive from Haltech, and it has their tuning software on it. Nice regular thumb drive. Real rugged, though. I mean, look at that thing. It's, ruggedized, and you don't have to worry about losing it because you got a lanyard with it. You can just wear this wherever you go. That's actually pretty fancy. I mean, I'll take the lanyard off and, put some shit on for the racetrack. I don't fucking know. Something. So, in the box, you have your ECU, your custom cut foam again. We'll open this bad boy up, take a look at it. Haltech Elite 2500. This is a solid piece. So Haltech actually sells this as a sealed piece. So they say that this is good enough to install in marine applications in your boat or anything like that because they consider it to be sealed even though it is two pieces. They consider it to be sealed and water resistant. Waterproof, I don't know, whichever one they call it. But we're going to take a look. We got powered light here, status light here. If we open it up, we're going to have all our connectors in here. So you see we got USB here, or sorry, that's your power. That's USB. And this is the bus, it looks like. So all that stuff is in there, and it's covered up nicely with this. Look at that. Snaps right in. Probably keeps the moisture out, I'm sure. Look at this side. We got the connectors for the loom, main loom going here. And that looks pretty handy, man. I don't know what that is. Anybody that knows what that is, just go ahead and post it in the comments, man. I have no clue what that little thingy is. We'll just call it a thingy for now. And the back of it, you have basically serial number and model number, brand, all that kind of stuff. But that's about it, dude, for the ECU. But the reason we chose this is because it is fucking badass. It does everything that you could possibly think of. It can run a rotary. It can run your straight sixes. It can run a V8. It can do everything that you could think of, and it has every option in it except for a wideband controller. This high-level gadget does not have a built-in wideband controller, but Haltech does sell one. So I'll be buying that. We're going to be plugging that in, and we'll have a wideband controller for this bad boy, and that's that. We'll take this out. We'll get a quick look, see what we got in here. We have an Elite 1500, 2500 quick start guide. And, yep, turn it over like this. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, overview, everything else. You guys seen quick start guides before. You got wiring steps. Actually, it's kind of like a colored wiring diagram in a way. All kinds of crazy stuff on here. Let's take a look. Just in case you guys recognize any of this stuff or you want to know what it is, I'll show you. I don't know what most of it is, but there we go. We're going on to the next step, my friends. What do we got here? All right, so we do have a full wiring diagram. Full wiring diagram for the Elite 2500. All right, so we got that full wiring diagram, Elite 2500, and it has everything you could possibly think of in full color, which is awesome. Usually you don't see colored wiring diagrams, so they did a really good job on this. And it has everything you could possibly think of. That is badass. And you know what? Last but not least, we have one sticker, and let's say this sticker is about 15 to 20 horsepower. That probably varies by the car, you know, but yeah, that's enough. That'll do it. What else we got in the box, folks? Nothing. But yeah, dude, this is the badass ECU, and we're about to get to it. We're about to start hauling ass. So, engine's almost done. We got the ECU, and we're about to be on transmission, wiring harness, all that other stuff. We're about to haul tail, folks. So, I mean, get ready. We're about to rip some ass in this damn truck, get it on the track, and make some people look real crazy. For you guys that have trucks out there like this, for you guys that have super trucks, man, stay tuned. We're about to get to it. It's about to be real fun. If you guys have any questions, just post them in the comments, man. I mean, I'm not an expert, but I've been going through this for quite a while. So just let me know if you have any comments, man, and I'll answer them when I can. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. I'll see you guys on the next one.